In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newspaper in Adobe InDesign. Let's start by launching Adobe InDesign and getting a fresh workspace ready. We're building a simple newspaper layout from scratch, so once the app opens, go ahead and create a new file. This brings up the document setup, which is where the core layout decisions begin. Before you do anything else, switch the units to inches. Working in inches is helpful for print projects because it matches most printer specifications and makes margin and layout math more intuitive. With units set, adjust the document margins to 0.15 inches. That's a tight margin often used for compact newspaper layouts to maximize printable area. If you're planning to print commercially, just remember that some printers prefer a slightly larger safe area, but for this tutorial, 0.15 inches keeps things neat and efficient. Now click Create to generate your document. You'll see a blank page with the margins you set. Let's add some content. Select the Type tool on the toolbar and drag to draw a text frame where you want your newspaper title, headlines, or body copy to go. You can type directly into the frame or paste your prepared text. As you type, watch your alignment and hierarchy. Use larger type for headlines and smaller, consistent sizes for body text to maintain readability. If your text frame fills up, simply drag the frame's handles to adjust its size so your content sits comfortably. Next, set up a space for images. Choose the rectangular frame tool. This tool creates placeholder frames that are perfect for photos. Draw a frame where the image should live, maybe under a headline or alongside a column of text. Creating frames first helps you keep a consistent grid and makes swapping images easier later. To bring an image in, go to the File menu at the top left. Select Place to choose the image you want to use. In the file browser, pick a sample image and confirm. Your cursor will load with the image, indicating it's ready to be added. Click inside the frame you drew to drop the image, then drag to position it neatly within the layout. If you need to resize it visually, drag a corner handle and keep the proportions balanced as you adjust. Aim for clean edges and enough breathing room around the image so it complements your text. And that's the foundation. You opened InDesign, set inches and margins, created the document, added text, built image frames, placed an image, and positioned it with a clean newspaper-style look. Keep refining your text frames and image placements to complete your layout, and you'll have a polished newspaper ready for print.